Hey guys, I'm showing you this Let's Life compression gloves. These gloves can be for the woman and the man. It's a fingerless design with a breathable fabric. So let's open this. Comes in a really nice simple packaging. So packaging wise looks really nice. Let's get this gloves. This is a large size glove that you can see here. It's a pair. So these are the compression gloves, means like they will just compress on the hands. So you can see it here, it fits really well, very flexible fabric. So the size is really nice and I can feel the compression on my hand. So I will just try the second gloves as well. So it's a high elasticity for gentle compression with the open finger design to free your hands, so you can use your hands or mobile or anything that you want to do. It's a very lightweight and breathable material so that I can feel on my hands. So you can also do like the writing or anything with your open fingers. So basically it's a nice gloves or the compression gloves, I will say. It's pretty much nice with this fabric. A comfortable compression gloves.